Hey you guys, welcome back again to my channel for another nail tutorial video. You guys have been loving this and I thought I would do another one. So today I'm going to be doing an easy back to school white nail tutorial, and I'll be using like the Kiara Sky kit. So this is the hand that I'm going to be working with, so I'm just going to go ahead and prep everything. I had like a pink color before, and if you've seen my video on how to remove lip powder, it is on my channel, so you can go check it out. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So as I said, I'm going to be using the Kiara Sky kit, and these are the powders I'm going to be using, the white ones. I just want like a plain white color, so yeah, I'll use those. And these are just the instructional like steps that you have to go through, and these are the other powders. You guys should go check my other videos where I did these kind of nails. But yeah, so today we're doing all white, and these are like some of the tools that you're gonna need. So you're gonna need like a nail clipper, your cuticle pushers, any of your choice. You need like some alcohol, a buffer, a file, and like some free lint wipes to like wipe your nails and remove all the dust. All right, so the first thing you want to do, I'm just going to be filing like my nails. I'm just going to remove like some shine and like pushing back the cuticle. In fact, I'll like push back the cuticle first and then file them just to like create that rough surface for the lip powders. Okay, so my cuticle is pushed and I already scraped out the dirty skin, and now I'm gonna go ahead and file them and create that rough surface. Alright, so the filing is done, and now I'm gonna just wipe this with like my lint flea wipe with alcohol and just take all like the dust. Okay, so now we're ready for our deep powders. Alright, so the first step is usually to apply bond, and that is the first stage. Just apply bond to all of your natural nails, and you don't want to really like saturate it over too much, so just go ahead and do that. And what this does is just like it takes out the oils from your nail and then it dries them out. Next, I'm gonna go with the second step, which is the base. Now you wanna apply this like 3/4 of your nail and then dip right into natural powder. This is just like the first step. It's not like the actual white powder I'm gonna use, but it's the natural, so it's like a base to build the apex. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And you wanna like, when you apply the base, you dip it directly into the powder before the base dries. Okay, so our base coat is done. Now I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm applying the base. Now I'm gonna apply like a hairline away from the cuticle, and then I'll dip into my design powder, which is pure white. Okay, so this is our first layer and I love how it's turning out. So now I'm gonna do the same thing again, but this time I'm applying the base to the entire nail and dipping again to the same pure white powder. And here we have the second coat, and I guess I'm gonna like stop here with like the coats, so I'll just do 2 because it is pretty much opaque and that is what I wanted. So now I'm gonna like encapsulate everything with the natural powder. You're supposed to do this with clear, but I don't have a clear powder because it doesn't come with the kit. So I'll just apply a thin base on my nails and then just pour like the natural powder on top. So whenever I go to file, I don't file my beautiful white powder, I'll just file the top coat, which is a natural. Okay, so now the next step is number 3, which is seal and protect. So what this does is like it hardens your nails so you're ready to file and buff and shape. So I'm just gonna put this on all of my nails. Okay, so now we're ready to shape, file, and buff. I'll go ahead and do that and be right back. The nails are shaped and buffed. Now I'm gonna clean them up again with a little bit of alcohol and just remove all of the dust from the filing. Okay, so after you wipe your nails, you're gonna put another layer of seal and protect and then wipe it with another dry lint-free wipe before you put your top coat on. So now I'm gonna put the seal and protect for the second time. Alright, so moving on, the final step is the top coat, and I'm gonna do 2 layers of this. So I'll do 1 layer, let it dry, and then finish up with another layer. Okay, finishing up, I'm gonna put the nourishing cuticle oil on my cuticles and rub them in, and we'll be done. And there you have your basic white back to school nails. I hope you guys like this video, and I really love how they turned out. It's really basic, but it's super cute. and with the short nails it goes really well. So if you guys like this kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up so I'll do more of these. But yeah, tell me what you think. Would you rock this color back to school? And tell me in the comments if you're going back to school, or if you're ready back to school, or you're just doing like at home online classes. So yeah, these are my nails. I really love how they turned out. They're super cute. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.